welcome back to my channel. I'm Sneha and you're watching my channel Round to Check. I am back again with another new video. So I have been talking a lot lately about my hair and my hair care routine. My hair is totally changed right now, as you can see. If you just go back to my last video, you will see the difference between that hair and this hair. There's a game changer product that has actually helped my hair to be non-greasy, non-frizzy, and I'm totally in love with this hair right now for that one product, and I have to introduce you to that product, and that is L'Oreal Paris Extraordinary Oil Serum. The packaging of the product looks so premium, as you can see, and the application is super easy just because of the pump, and it costs around $4.99. So the L'Oreal Paris Extraordinary Oil Serum is finally launched in India after hearing so much about it internationally. The international influencers have loved this product, so I was super excited to try this out. So L'Oreal sent this product to me like 10 days ago, and since then I've been trying this product out on my hair. So I have not put any curling iron or straightener in my hair. I've literally not styled it with like heat on my hair for the last 2 months, and my hair is a lot healthier now than before. So if you just check out my last video, then you will see the difference between that hair and this hair, because it's changing day by day thanks to L'Oreal Paris Extraordinary Oil Serum, because my hair is actually basically changing for this thing, because it helps in repairing the frizz, it helps in giving a shape, giving a definition to your hair. If you have wavy hair, if you have curly hair, if you have straight hair, it doesn't matter, you can use this oil. This hair oil is basically for all hair types. So this serum is a combination of 6 flower ingredients, which are lotus, tiara, rose, flax, chamomile and sunflower, which are all very good for your hair. Though it's an oil, but it is just non-sticky. I'll show you. I'll take some and I'll just rub it here. You will see it's just non-sticky and it's like serum, but basically it's oil, so I will not waste it and apply it here. So as you all remember that I had done keratin treatment to my hair a few months back, and also I colored my hair, so I thought if I should use this product or not, if it's gonna harm my hair or not. But to be very honest, it actually did not harm, and rather it actually helped my hair to heal, like seriously. There are different ways in which you can use this product. You can use this product before shampoo, like you apply hair oil to your hair like 15 minutes prior to your shampoo or 30 minutes prior to your shampoo. You can use this product like that. Then you can use this before drying your hair, like after coming back from shampooing. You can just before blow drying your hair, you can apply this product. So you can apply this serum before styling as well. The product claims to prevent your hair from damage from sunlight as well, and also it protects your hair from at least 230 degrees Celsius, and it protects your hair from burning as well. So you can use this before going out. You can use this as a finishing touch as well, and you can use this as an overnight treatment. I have been using this as an overnight treatment for the last 10 days, and also before shampoo I've used this. So as you can see, I have already used up a lot in the last 10 days, because I have been using for like three times a day. So this is a wonderful product, and I would really recommend this product to you guys to use it just once and tell me the reviews. Like, I have used it, I have genuinely loved it, and this is a must have in my hair care routine from now. So I'll put all the links in the description box below, so you guys can check them out and get one for yourself. So that was it for this video. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you did, then don't forget to like this video, share this video, subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned for more videos like this. Okay, bye.